I started, I had a 3-month-old and a 2.5-year-old. I was working full time. And for our family, I wanted to get rid of my student loans. And that was so important for us. And when I was introduced to Park Lane, I was 9 months pregnant when I was introduced to it, and then signed up when my daughter was 3 months old. And really, that was our focus, was to get rid of those student loans. But then once I was just a few months into it, I realized how much fun I was having and how I was working a high stress full-time job. And Park Lane became a place where I could remove myself from the high stress part and just have fun, not being called mom, not being, barked orders by a boss, but to just have fun in living rooms with other women and just being able to play with jewelry and still have an income, an additional stream of income coming in, so that we could name that income and say, this income is going towards these student loans. And we didn't have to take away from the other parts of our income that were coming in. And so we were able to do that. And then from there, our Park Lane income has changed in a lot of ways over the years, where we've been able to do fun Disney vacations. We've been able to, like Isabella said, say yes to the kids for, year-long zoo passes, or to beach trips, to pay off additional debt, to, now that they're older elementary, it's, private lessons for sports, and it's sports camps, and it's summer camps and winter camps, and all of those things, because as Michelle has taught me along the ways, they don't get cheaper as they get older. So I'm so grateful for, I was able to walk away from that full-time job actually in 2021, and now Park Lane is my full-time income, and I'm so grateful for the flexibility that it has allowed me to have, both financially and time flexibility.